Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure Oracle VirtualBox to set up Parrot OS. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Chrome and download VirtualBox and Parrot OS image. Here I have already downloaded the VirtualBox and Parrot OS VirtualBox image, but you can go to the Google and search for Parrot Security. Let me show you how. And in the same way for VirtualBox too. Once completed, install the VirtualBox. I have already installed it right here. You can then traverse to the destination where the setup is located and double-click the setup file to run and then install it. After that, go to the destination where the Parrot OS file is located and double-click on it. You will get the pop-up like this. Now follow all the steps I do as shown. Wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, you can grab a coffee and let the process complete. If you are setting up in VirtualBox for first time, this is the easiest method of setting up the private box for testing and security testing. Make sure that you have enough space of 100 gigabytes so that you can make some space for your VirtualBox storage. Minimum of 50 gigabytes is required for any machine, and the RAM allocation should not exceed 50% of the total RAM of the device. Please make sure of that while setting up the VirtualBox. Let's wait for a couple minutes and then I'll show you exactly what I meant. Now let me show you how you can set up the configurations. Do exactly what I do. I have a 16 gigabyte RAM in total, and I am allotting a 50% chunk of 8 gigabyte to my machine, as it is going to be the primary machine which I am going to use. You can allot up to 50%, but not more than that. Same way for processors. Don't go on the red line. Try to stay on the green line, as allotting way more resources can actually hang up your system and eventually lead to crashing it down. A video memory of 128 MB is good enough if you are going to do the not-so-heavy video tasks. Make sure that your network is selected to NAT. Click on OK. Now boot it up. It will take some time. The default username and password are Parrot. Congratulations, you are in your own VirtualBox. And that's it. You've successfully set up Parrot OS in Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.